Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine and safe.
Today we will continue our previous topic, that is more on Windows 10. Now working with folders. Folder is a collection of files and a subfolder is a folder inside a folder. You can follow these steps to create a new folder. Right click on the blank area of desktop, then click on new option, then select folder. This will create a new folder on desktop. Now opening a folder. You can simply double click the folder to open it, or you can right click the folder icon. A shortcut menu appears, then select open option. This will open the folder. Now renaming a file or folder. Renaming means changing the name of file or folder. You can rename a file or folder by right click on the selected icon, then select rename from the shortcut menu. Now you can type the new name of file or folder. Next is copying or moving a file or folder. Copying means creating a duplicate file or folder without deleting the original file or folder. And moving means transfer the file or folder from one location to another. You can copy or move file or folder by right click on the selected icon and select cut to move or copy to duplicate it. Then open the location where you want to take your file or folder. Then right click on the blank area and select paste option from the shortcut menu. Your file or folder will be placed there. Next is deleting a file or folder. Deleting means removing the file or folder from computer. You can delete the file or folder by right click on the selected icon and select delete option. This will move your file or folder to the recycle bin. You can also delete a file or folder by selecting it and simply press the delete key on keyboard. If you delete a file or folder by mistake, then you can take back or restore it by opening the recycle bin, then search a required file or folder, then right click on the file and select restore option in the shortcut menu. This will take back your file to the original location. Next is arranging files and folders. If you want to arrange files or folders, then simply right click on the blank area of File Explorer, then click View and then select any of these options. First option is extra large icons. This option displays extra large files and folders. Second option is large icons. This option displays large files and folders. Third option is medium icons. This option displays medium files and folders. Fourth option is small icons. This option displays small files and folders. Fifth option is list. This option displays the list of files and folders. Sixth option is details. This option displays the detailed list of files and folders like name, date modified, type and size of the file. Seventh option is tiles. This option displays files and folders in tiles form like name, type and size of the file. Eighth option is content. This option displays files and folders in the detailed content form. In this form, information is displayed in rows and shows name, date, modified and size of the file. Last is using context menu. It is also called shortcut menu. It appears when we right click on any icon, and when we right click on the blank area, it shows a context menu with different options. So
So children, this is all in this topic. We will cover the next chapter in our next video.